Hey Texas residents, David Moore here over at SolarEdge Pros. I'm right now next to our demo wall that shows all of the glorious equipment we use for solar installations, from solar panels themselves to as well as things that go on the side of your home next to your revenue meter, your PV meter, everything that's involved. But today I want to focus on a couple of questions we've been getting about whether or not solar panels damage people's roofs or whether or not they protect the roof. You know, we've been getting a lot of these questions, and so hopefully this video can help clear up any of those miscommunications, confusion, or any questions you may have. So first, I'd like to start with the solar panels. Obviously, the solar panels we use are much larger than this one, but this is a demo one that was donated to us by Mission Solar. It is a local manufacturer company in San Antonio, Texas. Greatly appreciate it. So thank you, Mission Solar. This is what the solar panel would kind of look like. Behind the solar panel, you would have an inverter. So this right here is an Enphase IQ7 microinverter. It would go behind the solar panel so you wouldn't see it after installation. The inverter is used to convert the DC power from the sunlight into AC power that runs through your home. Next, we have these racks that help keep all of the solar panels together next to each other. That gives it that nice clean aligned look. Here we also have these hooks that connect to the bolt that gets drilled into the studs underneath your roof. So come here real quick, I'll show you this. So this is how we install the bolt. It goes through the stud of the roof, and so you know that it's going to stay there to your roof and it's not going to cause any issues. It's going to be there for as long as the roof's there. So no worries there. Additionally, you see this ring. Now this ring, it helps prevent any leaks or any debris entering your attic or getting through your roof. Unfortunately, there have been some bad apples in the solar industry that have gone doing installations without these protective rings. And that's what's going to cause a lot of issues with people's solar installations. They're going to have moisture getting through, they're going to get a lot of gunk going through because it's not having a strong enough of a seal. However, with SolarEdge Pros, you don't need to worry about that. We have our own team. We make sure that whenever our crew goes out to do an installation, they use these high quality protective rings. So you don't need to worry about anything getting through there. That seal is going to be lifetime strong. And we also offer a 20-year workmanship warranty, so in case you don't believe me or you think I'm just trying to sell you something, you don't need to worry about it because there's a 20-year workmanship warranty on all of our installations. So if anything happens from our installation, we will be able to fix the issue at no cost to you. Okay, next, another question people often have is, do solar panels protect your roof? Now, solar panels are actually very strong. They've been able to take anything from golf ball size hail damage as well as even paintballs. We even tested out paintball guns against these solar panels. No damage happened to them. They are very strong. So in many cases, they can protect your roof from any additional damage that might happen to them. So it is true that they can help add that layer of protection. Thank you again for watching this video. If you would like to book an appointment with us, again, they're totally free and we'll be able to answer any additional questions you may have about solar. Please click the link below.